watch number 530, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Bristol, Massachusetts, and the following counties in Rhode Island: Bristol, Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington, and the following marine locations: Narragansett
Okay, well, we're in
Bay
Massachusetts
and Long
now.
Island Sound. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.
Welcome to
sources of
Massachusetts.
the latest severe